Hello everyone, we are going to solve LeetCode problem 463 island perimeter. Step-by-step explanation. First, initialize the perimeter. Create a variable perimeter and set it to 0. This variable will keep track of the total perimeter of the island. Second, traverse the grid. Use nested loops to traverse each cell in the grid. The outer loop I goes through each row. The inner loop j goes through each column in the current row. This is part of collection of LeetCode problems. Third, check for land cell. For each cell I, j check if it contains land. If it is a land cell, proceed to calculate its contribution to the perimeter. Fourth, initial perimeter contribution. Each land cell initially contributes 4 sides to the perimeter. Add 4 to the perimeter. Fifth, adjust for adjacent land cells. Check the cell above. If the cell above exists and is also land, it means the current cell shares a side with the cell above. Subtract 2 from the perimeter for this shared side. Check the cell to the left. If the cell to the left exists and is also land, it means the current cell shares a side with the cell to the left. Subtract 2 from the perimeter for this shared side. Sixth, continue until the end of the grid. Continue the above steps for each cell in the grid until all cells have been processed. Seventh, return the result. After processing all cells, the perimeter variable contains the total perimeter of the island. Return the perimeter. Thanks for watching.